Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Worldwide AI manufacturing to reach $9.89 billion by 2027. The global AI and manufacturing industry size is expected to rise owing to increasing demand for collaborative robots and growing semiconductor industry. According to Fortune Business Insights, its latest report titled Artificial Intelligence in Manufacturing Industry Market Size, Share and COVID-19 Impact Analysis by Offering, by Technology, by Application, by Industry and Regional Forecast 2020-27 observes that the market will hit $9.89 billion by 2027 while exhibiting a promising 24.2% CAGR between 2020 and 2027. This market is expected to witness substantial growth owing to the COVID-19 impact, and hence the 2020-27 CAGR is very high, as a large section of industry would look to adopt AI in order to automate the operation with less human intervention. Artificial intelligence is believed to be a game-changing modern technology for the manufacturing industry. The adoption of AI in manufacturing provides multifaceted benefits such as accurate and rapid data-driven decisions, minimizing operational costs, optimizing several processes, and improving the overall experience of customer satisfaction. In addition to this, AI can be easily embedded to the existing products and services offered by the companies to render them reliable, effective, and safe. For instance, in the automotive industry, AI-based technology such as computer vision is used to accurately detect obstructions to prevent road fatalities while promoting safe driving. The AI in manufacturing industry report offers an exhaustive study of several factors such as drivers, restraints, challenges, and opportunities that will affect the growth of the market in the forthcoming years. The report further says there is sharp increasing investment for AI-based platform in Asia Pacific to drive the market. The emergence of automation and robotics has propelled the rise of collaborative robots across several manufacturing industries. Cobots are perceived as an essential addition to implementing several industrial operations such as detecting failure scenarios, analyzing the result, and further taking appropriate action to resolve the issues. All the credit goes to the COVID-19, which is continuing to bring the world to a standstill. We understand that this health crisis has brought unprecedented impact to companies in all walks of life. However, this will pass. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Mastercard partners with Google Pay for tokenization of card payments. Mastercard and Google announced the rollout of tokenization that will enable Google Pay users to safely transact using their Mastercard credit and debit cards. This collaboration will allow Google Pay Android users to scan and pay across all Bharat QR-enabled merchants, tap and pay. Cardholders can now make a purchase with a Mastercard debit or credit card using Google Pay without saving the details on the app. In case the cardholder's mobile device gets misplaced, details of the card still remain secure as they are stored as digital tokens. Spammers seized worth $7.7 billion of cryptocurrency this year. Cryptocurrency scammers gained $7.7 billion worth of cryptocurrency from victims in 2021, an 81% rise in losses compared to last year. According to analysis firm Chainalysis, nearly $1.1 billion of the $7.7 billion were attributed to a single scheme which allegedly targeted Russia and Ukraine. Rug pulls accounted for 37% of all cryptocurrency scam revenue in 2021 at $2.8 billion, where the developers of a new cryptocurrency disappear and take supporters' funds with them. Microsoft to buy Xandr from AT&T. AT&T Incorporation has agreed to sell its global programmatic advertising marketplace Xandr Incorporation to Microsoft. Xandr's technology strategically complements Microsoft's current advertising offerings and will help accelerate delivery of digital advertising and retail media solutions for the open web by combining Microsoft's audience intelligence, technology and global advertising customer base with Xandr's scaled, data-driven platform. Visa acquires Currency Cloud. Visa has completed its acquisition of Currency Cloud, a global platform enabling banks and fintechs to provide foreign exchange solutions for cross-border payments. The acquisition will empower Visa and Currency Cloud clients and partners to provide greater transparency, flexibility and control for consumers and businesses when making international payments or doing business in multiple currencies. Currency Cloud's cloud-based platform supports nearly 500 banking and technology clients with reach in over 180 countries. Snapdeal files for an IPO. SoftBank-backed Indian e-commerce platform Snapdeal has filed a draft red herring prospectus with the Securities Exchange Board of India for an initial public offering. The issue will comprise primary issuance of shares worth Rs 1,250 crore and an offer for sale from existing investors of up to 3 crore 7,69,600 shares. Snapdeal will use Rs 900 crore of the proceeds of the offering to fund organic growth initiatives and the remaining for general corporate purposes. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.